Hey everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia. In this video, I will build a toggle for frequently asked questions in JavaScript. First of all, I will use document.querySelector all method to select all HTML elements with a class of question and store them in the question constant variable. Constant I will use forEach method to iterate over each element in the question collection and execute a function for each element. The function will take the current element as its parameter and is defined anonymously. Function question within the function I will use querySelector element to select first element with class of question btn within the current element question. Class is question dash btn. At the end, I will add eventListener to the button element that listens for a clicked event. When the event occurs, it executes an anonymous function that toggles the show text class on question element. The class list.toggle method will add the class of its class if it's not present and removes if it's already present. Question dot class list dot toggle show text. Let's check on front end how does it look. Here you can see frequently asked questions. When I click on plus sign, the toggle will show answer, and when I click on minus sign, toggle will hide the answer. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.